Hello traders and dear new viewer who are watching our channel. Welcome to Forex Robot Trader, where we are going to introduce with the how you can trade with expert advisors or boards which are used in Forex trading. First, we are going to begin from there. Start from the for the beginners who don't know anything. So, what is Forex trading and how you are going to involve with this, and how you are going to profitable with this. I'm going to give you a complete brief about this, like how you are going to be uh, just investing and making money through the forex trading without interfering any manual trading or anything else. You can just completely automate yourself with the funds, with your money, with your investments, with our automatic boards. Okay, so for start we are starting these sessions from first, like what is forex trading and how this works, and how people be part of this biggest market in the industry. Okay, so forex trading for beginners can, with boards and automation, can automate their trading systems. Okay, so here we start from, like, what is forex trading. For Forex trading is completely a foreign exchange trading platform where you can trade. It's a complete 6 trillion daily market where people are trading daily on the basis of transactions going on around 6 trillion dollars or more than that. It's not going to end up with a 6 trillion dollars. It's a world's biggest turnover or transactions going on in trading with the globally. Okay, so it's involved international banks, central banks. Many countries are involved in trading in foreign exchange, where we are going to trade on the foreign exchanges, like different currency pairs on their differentiation. We are going to trade over there. Okay, so see, it's exchanges where profits come from their price changes. You are going to sell on there when it's going to a bearish. You are going to buy on the when it's going to bullish. Depends on analysis, depends on price action, like how it's going to perform. So it's just complete chart analysis where you are going to learn in an advanced form, and or it's going to be a complete automatic. You don't need to trade by manually, but you have to know about, like, how it's going to perform with the chart, like how is price actions, how the breakouts, how the different strategies work in charts, and how you are going to profitable. Okay, so a journey as a new trader, you can start with a minimum of $10 also, $100, $1,000, and more than that, because in forex trading you get the leverage things that helps a lot, because you are going to from 100 leverage, like 100 to 1 leverage, you can from $100 you can trade up to 1 lakh. 1 lakh or $1,000 margin. You are getting $1,000 margin, which you can hold a position of 1 lakh dollars of position. So there is a lots of chances, huge chances to make a profitable. Vice versa, you are going to lose money also, because it's a very risky using a lots of leverage on a lots of, if you are increasing lots on your small account sizes. So it's all be you have to learn about the risk management and how it's going to perform over the. Okay, so that's a part you have to analyze, either you're going to do manual trading, either you are going to do automatic. You have to first analyze your risk management, like how much you are going to risk on your capital and how you are going to gain on that. Okay, so for this, for doing forex trading, so all the easiest way is, all the easiest software which is used for trading, for automation also, for manual trading, for automation also, which is complete mt4 and mt5, which is a very oldest platform software which are used in forex market for fast trade execution and for fast analyzing, for fast, like, it's a very easy tool which you can use on your phone also, on your laptop, on your macbook, on anywhere on ios. It's very easy friendly software. No other software till now is made to utilize only this mt4 and mt5 5 is there in the world, which is very user friendly to the everyone, like anyone can be start with the thing. Okay, you will need to go with this. Always be start from the real accounts. You can go with the demo accounts that you can create on MQL4, like MT4 have a MQL. You can on that basis you can create your demo accounts to practice over there. It's a free of cost, nothing have to pay. Rather than you can install or create a demo account on my given link in the bio. Okay, you can join my Telegram channel in the bottom also. It's giving all the links in the where you can get the free some expert advisors which you can use to for testing in a demo accounts also. Okay, so what the benefits of as an manual trading and automatic manual trading? You have to analyze and you have to manually give a lots of time to learning, and you haven't control over the emotions. But in sports and expert advisors, it's completely strategy based. No need to be a PAB. Have to be 24 hours in front of the screen to analyze and to hold trades or to execute any trades. It's complete automatic. You haven't need to worry about. It's complete 24 into 5 days it's going to work. So forex market runs from Monday to Friday, and on between you can just run on a VPS is complete a server, the virtual private server, where you are going to put this installation and going to work 24 hours. Okay, and this complete emotional less education. No need to be a very like your emotions is not the part of this. It's complete will be beneficial to you, because in trading emotions are enemy is for beneficial also, is for enemy for you. Depends on you like how you are going to use your emotions. Okay, it's already on in boards in on strategies. You already have customized your rules of how it's going to trade. You can it's going to be profitable at all. You are going to end up with a profitable. So for setting up your first account, first you can create a demo account, and on that you can choose a broker where you can create a demo account. On demo account, you can just open your MT4, MT5. What kind of EA is that? Is for if it's for MQL4, you have to go for MT4. If for MQL5, you have to go for MT5. Okay, so depends on like which kind of EA you are using. So depends on, okay, that you can download and install on PC. It's not for mobile applications, it for only PCs only, like PCs or MacBooks, where you can install MT4, MT5. On that you can like, add that expert advisors in that market. Okay, and where you can set parameters like how much you are going to lose money or how you are going to make money. Everything you can configure over there. Okay, real estate boards in action. You can start with a minimum investment of $500. No need to go for heavy investments, but yeah, you can for SEO you can start with a $500 at least to get the real money world and to get the leverage also and to get benefited from there. Okay, you can earn around like from $500 to you can reach out to 300 $3,000 or more than that in a year. It depends on like what kind of EAs or boards are you using. So there are so many. I can show you some returns of my board which I have created, that is hyper martingale board which work as an HFT. You can see how much returns we have created. So 191.97% is a complete real account. Okay, but it's in cent account. So see how much we have given. It's a drawdown is 19.64%, but the returns are so huge. Like you can see, 191% is amazing. So there is only one boat I'm showing you. There are so many boats others we can. I will show you in future, but they are making in real money. Okay, so here you can start with lots of things, and that will help you a lot. Thanks for subscribing me. Thanks for watching me, and you can subscribe me if you want more. And I'm going to give you a Telegram channel link, and you can just join my free Telegram channel where we are sharing our own made some boards where you can utilize and test in your demo accounts. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.